Thank you. Thank you for joining today's 6 a.m. Club Happiness Dose. So, are you all happy? Or are you all looking for happiness? Are you all thinking to be happy? Or are you all acting as happy? Are you all want to be
I'm
happy?
happy.
Good. The reason why I am asking this question is because in the entire world, there is a similar survey, happiness survey. So when they did it across 149 countries, India plays 139th position. That is a fact. There is an unbelievable fact that more than 98% of the people lies for one simple question. Any guess what it is?
Sorry, sir.
There is a survey stating more than 98% of the people lies when we ask one question. What it is? Any guess? Which question it is?
I don't understand.
Happy, sir.
யாராவது பார்த்த உடனே முதல் கேள்வி நம்ம என்ன கேட்போம்?
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
எப்படி இருக்கிறீங்க?
சந்தோஷமா இருக்கீங்களா?
என்ன இருந்தாலும் எப்படி இருந்தாலும் நம்ம என்ன பதில் சொல்லுவோம்?
நல்லா இருக்கிறோம்.
நல்லா இருக்கிறோம், நல்லா போய் சொல்லுவோம். That is the biggest lie. Okay. So
நெகட்டிவா சொல்லக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம்.
நெகட்டிவா சொல்லக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு போய் சொல்லிடலாமா? That is the reason why if someone asks me, how are you? I'll reply, I am as you are seeing me. உன் கண்ணுக்கு நான் எப்படி தெரியறேனோ அப்படியே தான் இருக்கிறேன். So I'm not lying. I'm saying, so how you are looking at me, I am as such. உங்களுக்கு நான் வந்து நல்லா இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியுதுன்னா நான் நல்லா இருக்கிறேன், நான் சோகமா இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியுதுன்னா நான் சோகமா இருக்கிறேன். அது உங்க கையில தான் இருக்கு ஆன்சர். ஓகே,
நல்லா இருக்கிறேன் சார்.
யா, ஏன்னா இந்தியா வந்து இது வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப கவலைப்பட வேண்டிய விஷயம். இட்ஸ் ரியலி worrying point stating that we are into a 139th position. The neighborhood countries, all Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Pakistan, they are much ahead of us. So see the importance of being happy. Let's not act happy. Let's not act to be happy. Let's be the happy from the bottom of the heart in all our feelings, thoughts, and actions. Then only we will be happy. Let's learn the art of being happy. Let's practice it. Let's mean to it. Let's teach to our family members. Let's create a happy family. Let's teach to our neighborhood. Let's create a happy neighborhood. Let's teach to our community. Let's create a happy community, so that we'll create this world a happily living place. Shall we? Are you all ready?
Yes, no.
Yes. So this is just a small part of scientific reasons, so which makes you actually happy. So according to the science, there are 4 chemicals which are also known as happiness chemicals, which make you happy actually. So those 4 chemicals, first name's acronym is the dose. That is the reason why we name it as happiness dose. So let us learn what are those 4 happiness chemicals, starting with dopamine, D. So dopamine is also known as reward chemical. Whenever you accomplish a task, whenever you celebrate the success of the task, whenever you appreciate others, compliment others, and eating a food also, which will improve the dopamine. Okay. And the second one, oxytocin. This is also known as love hormone. Whenever you care and share your love with others, playing with a dog, have a puppy, have a pet, whatever it might be, have a fishes aquarium, have a birds, Have something as a pet in your home along with you. Your oxytocin will improve a lot. Playing with the baby, play with the kids. That's what I mentioned in the random acts of kindness also. Holding a hand, hold the hands of a senior citizen. You don't need to speak at all. Just hold your hand and give them a confidence that you are there with them. That builds a trust on you. That's actually one of the beautiful therapeutic approach. The healing approach. Gokul knows how the healing works, touching healing. Hug your family members. Do it daily. Give a compliment. Give it. It's a small thing, whatever it is. Being it, give a compliment to your mother, give a compliment to your sister, brother, whoever it might be. It's a good food, give a compliment. And the third thing, serotonin, the mood stabilizer. There is a myth that only the women have a mood swings. No, everyone has the mood swings. We are all the human beings. Everyone is facing an issue with these mood swings. In fact, comparing to men, men are facing a lot of mood swings. He doesn't know all these things. We feel that only women have this thing and we men can control anything. No. Woman is the strongest person in this world. They can control everything. Okay. So how we can improve this serotonin? Meditation, walking, running, cycling, swimming, all those exercises, basic exercises. That's the reason why we ask you to do the meditation. Chakra healing meditation is there, reflection meditation is there, yoga is there. We are doing a pranic healing. So all those exercises, just spend the time for you. The self-care. And finally, endorphin, the painkiller. You don't require to go to a medical store or a hospital to get relief from your pain. Do the small activities, the laughing therapy, laughing exercise, which we do at the end of the session, and oils. There are some healthy oils which you can consume on a daily basis, and watching a comedy shows. We know a lot of comedy shows, even cartoons are there, Tom and Jerry, Charlie Chaplin. You can eat dark chocolate and you can do exercise. So what all these things can help you to improve your happiness chemicals. Just work on those things. Pick all these things and we are going to work all these exercises. Most of these exercises. Okay. Are you all ready to practice? Let's get into action now.
Ready, sir. Ready, sir.
Yes. Hope you all got an exposure how to draw, right?
Yes, no.
We'll start with the smiley challenge. Okay. So sit in a comfortable position. All of you, sit in a comfortable position. Leave your mobiles. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of a beautiful moment. Think of a beautiful moment of yesterday. Look at that beautiful moment which had yesterday. You are into that moment. You are feeling so happy for that moment. Think of whatever the visuals you can remember. Think of the sounds. Whatever. Remember, recollect those sounds around you during that moment. Think of all the touching and feelings what you have in your side, in your mind. Think what your mind says during that moment. Think of everything which is roaming across, which is bothering you during that moment. Remember, you are so happy. You want to be happy. You are into that moment. You want to be happy. Continue that moment. And Slowly open your eyes. Now you have a white screen on your system. Just tap on the white screen, touch it. You can get a small pen on the left bottom of your screen. Pick the pen, choose any color which you like, and start drawing a smiley, a beautiful smiley which represents your happiness. Don't draw on another one smiley. Choose any place. Be slow. Don't be hurry. You can draw the beautiful smiley. If someone draws on your smiley, you just erase it and go to another place. Don't bother. Don't worry. I see Gokul and Yamini is drawing and
Sir, box.
box and அப்புறமா வரும் மேம். இப்ப smiley.
Okay,
This is to teach how. ஏன்னா ஒருத்தர் மேல போடாம எப்படி எல்லாம் டிரா பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு கத்துக்கிறதுக்கு. Because sometimes we draw it on another one smiley. See, லக்ஷ்மி நாராயணன் சார் வந்து மத்தவங்க மேல போடுறாங்க, உங்களோட இது மேல போடுறாங்க. ராணி மேம் நீங்களும் போடலாம் இன்னும். யா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. வெரி குட். குட். தனலட்சுமி மேம் ரொம்ப சோகமா இருக்கிறாங்க. குட். ஏன் அழிச்சிட்டீங்க? See, whatever you draw, that is actually your moment. So நீங்க போய் சொல்ல முடியாது. உங்களுக்கு என்ன தோணுதோ அதுதான் நீங்க டிரா பண்ணுவீங்க.
இல்ல சார், கை வந்துது அப்படி கை. அது ரெண்டுக்கு நடுவுல கீறும்போது சின்ன இடம், அதனால அப்படி கையில பெரிய கை சார்.
Please go ahead. Draw it. இன்னும் லக்ஷ்மி நாராயணன் சார் போடவே இல்ல. Sir, waiting for you. Okay. We'll go to our next challenge. Superb drawing. Okay. Let me draw borders. The over border na draw பண்றதுக்குள்ள again sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of one thing. இன்னைக்கு நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? நான் ஹாப்பியா இருக்கிறதுக்கு நான் என்ன பண்ணணும்னு நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்க? Think of that moment. Think of it. அந்த ஹாப்பியா இருக்கிற விஷயத்தை பண்றதுக்கு நீங்க என்ன செய்யணும்? What you want to do now? Think of it. Plan for it. Think of what are all the things you require to be happy. Now, slowly open your eyes. I'll write each and every one of your names. So, இங்க உங்க நேம் எழுதும்போது உங்க பாக்ஸ் மட்டும்தான். நீங்க ஜூம் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த ஜூம்ல வந்து உங்க பாக்ஸ் மட்டும் தெரியற மாதிரி வச்சுக்கோங்க. அந்த பாக்ஸ்ல மட்டும் டிரா பண்ணுங்க. This is your limit. இதை தாண்டி நீங்க போக கூடாது. Whatever you feel. Okay. அதை வந்து டிரா பண்ணுங்க.
A sir. N-A.
Okay. So whatever.
E-H-A-N-A. E-H-A-N-A.
E-H-A-N-A. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, corrected. Yeah, please start drawing the thing. Lakshmi Narayan sir, start பண்ணுங்க,
Yes, sir.
ஆரம்பிங்க.
கரெக்டா வர மாட்டேங்குது.
கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க,
வர
வரும்.
மாட்டேங்குது. ஜூம் பண்ணா வர மாட்டேங்குது.
கிளிக் பண்ணா பென் தெரியுதா?
ஓகே. கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு வர மாட்டேங்குது கரெக்டா. நம்ம பாக்ஸ் வர மாட்டேங்குது.
ஜூம் பண்ணணும், நீங்க ஜூம் பண்ணணும்.
ஓ ஓகே 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 ஓகே.
நீங்க டபுள் டேப் பண்ணாலும் சரி, இல்லனா இது ரெண்டு விரல வச்சு ஜூம் பண்ணாலும் சரி.
ஓகே 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 வந்துருச்சு. இங்க பென் வர மாட்டேங்குது.
குட். தனலட்சுமி மேம், நீங்க இன்னும் ஆரம்பிக்கல.
பண்றேன் சார்.
So, since the childhood, we've been used to be happy when we see green color tick mark. So, I'm giving tick to all of you. You can see a tick mark on your name, right? All your drawings are lovable drawings. So, there is a love in front of your name. Love yourself, love your drawings, love your artistic person in you. And remember, my dear friends, you are the stars of the day, because you are the best and the greatest person in this world. You can see a star after your name. Okay? Superb. That's fantastic. Good. Okay. So let us start sharing. So now you have drawn something. Okay. So now you shared others people's perception. ஏன்னா நம்ம நினைப்போம், என் வாழ்க்கை எப்பவுமே இப்படிதான் இருக்கு, மத்தவங்க எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கிறாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. No, don't bother about others thing. Focus on only your thing. ஏன்னா 6 பாத்தீங்கன்னா, whenever you look at the 6 from this side, it is a 6 for you, and the other person who is opposite to you, for him or for her, it looks like a 9. You say always I am the right, it's 6 only, and they say always they are the right, it's 9 only. It's just a perception. It's the way how you look at it. So don't bother about what others think. You know only when you get into their position what is actually right, or they come to your position. So that is the reason why we are doing this exercise, and to interpret your happiness also. So starting from Rani ma'am. இருக்கீங்களா?
Yes sir, I am there.
Yes. Thanulakshmi ma'am, drawing பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது உங்களுக்கு?
சார் ஒரு கிளாக் இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு. கிளாக் வந்து ரெண்டு பேரு வந்து நின்னுட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்குங்க சார். கிளாக்.
சூப்பர். வெரி குட். Thanulakshmi ma'am. கோகுலோட இது டிராயிங் பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது?
இருந்து டிவி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு சார்.
சூப்பர், வெரி குட். கோகுல், யாமினி டிராயிங்.
ஓகே, நம்மள வந்து ஒரு கூண்டுக்குள்ளே அடைச்சிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு. சோ அவுட் ஆஃப் த பாக்ஸ் திங்க் பண்றதுக்காக நிறைய ஸ்பேஸ் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
சூப்பர், வெரி குட். யாமினி, லட்சுமி நாராயணன் சாரோட டிராயிங்.
It looks like a lotus.
Superb. That's fantastic. Lakshmi Narayanan sir, Rani ma'am
Yes, sir.
drawing.
ஒரு ரோடு போட்டுருக்கான். ரோட்ல ஏதோ பக்கத்துல வந்து ரோட்ல இருந்து ஒரு வீடு மாதிரி போற மாதிரி இருக்குது ரோடு போட்டு.
Superb, superb. So பாத்தீங்களா, நீங்க ஒரு பர்செப்ஷனோட நீங்க ஒரு டிரா பண்ணீங்க, ஆனா மத்தவங்க வந்து எப்படி வந்து பர்சீவ் பண்றாங்க. திஸ் இஸ் த லைஃப். சோ அதை பத்தி கவலையே படாதீங்க. அக்ரி?
Yes.
கரெக்டா? உங்களோட பர்செப்ஷன் வேற இருந்துச்சு நீங்க டிரா பண்ணும்போது, ஆனா அவங்க அந்த அவங்க பாக்குற விதம் வந்து ரொம்ப மாறிடுச்சு. ஆமாவா இல்லையா? எஸ் சார்.
எஸ் சார்.
That is the life. So if you want to be happy, don't bother about others perception. மத்தவங்க உங்களை பத்தி என்ன நினைக்கிறாங்கன்றது நம்மளுக்கு கவலை தேவையில்லைன்னா இது உங்களோட லைஃப். Bother only what you perceive, what you feel, what you think, what you act to be happy. Okay? Did you like the exercises?
Yes, sir.
Super.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's get into another beautiful exercise and beautiful technique, a self-appraisal. So appraisal is very, very essential. Appreciation for everything. Start appreciate everyone and everything for each and every small contribution. Okay, so to be here 6th happiness club க்கு வந்து நீங்க ஹாப்பியா இருக்கிறதுக்காக பிராக்டிஸ் பண்றதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் கேட்கறதுக்கும் first of all a big thanks to you and kudos to each and every one of you. And உங்களை நீங்களும் appreciate பண்ண கத்துக்கணும். Yes, I'm doing the best, I'm doing the great. நான் வந்து எப்பவுமே வந்து நானும் வந்து appreciate பண்ணிக்கணும்ன்ற எண்ணம் உங்களுக்குள்ள இருக்கணும். You need to practice it every day morning when you wake up and every day night before you sleep on the bed. Okay, happiness starts from the bed till the bed. Remember, this is very, very essential. Okay, let's take your left hand, right shoulder, right hand. Come on, say shabash, 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 shabash. Once again, shabash, 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 shabash. Once more, shabash, 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 shabash. Start doing it every day. Remember, this actually gives you more power. If you want to have a do it in front of mirror, even that would be more powerful, so that you'll see yourself and you can do this self appraisal. Okay, you no need to look for others to praise yourself. அவன் என்ன நான் appreciate பண்றேன், எனக்கு நானே பண்ணிப்பேன், because I am the best and I am the great. You should feel like that. There are many people who feels that நான் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் பண்றேன், என்ன யாரும் மதிக்கவே இல்லை. ஒருத்தர் என்ன உன்னை மதிக்கிறது? உன்னை பத்தி உனக்கு தான் தெரியும். இந்த உலகத்துல உன்னை பத்தி உனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச மாதிரி யாருக்குமே தெரியாது. Agree?
Yes, sir.
You are the only person. You are the best creature in this world. And the second beautiful exercise, this is one of the powerful exercise, which is very, very essential. A gratitude should be part of our attitude. We need to learn art of telling a gratitude, showing our gratitude to others, being it verbally or non-verbally. Okay, so whenever you say thanks, don't use the words thanks abruptly. Use only thank you. Whenever you mention you are mentioning the other person whom you are thanking. That is from the bottom of the heart. Whenever you are saying a thank you, look at the other one's eyes. Have a smile on your face and convey your heartfelt gratitude to them. Make them, they are also so happy when you are sharing your gratitude. It's not just for the namesake. Okay?
Sir.
Yes. So let us do a gratitude exercise. Let's open your hearts. We are opening it. And reverse, cross, connect, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart, below your chin. Take a long and deep breath, inhale. And think of everything and everyone who made you happy. Everything is each and every thing you use, being it dress, being it a food, being it all your accessories, all your material which you use. And everyone, don't look for only your family members, everyone whom you work with, everyone who even the strangers who made you happy. Okay, take a long breath, inhale and slowly release. On the count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. One count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Now, slowly release your hands. Let's get into our next exercise. Now, the beautiful exercise, self-hug. Yes. Hug yourself. Love yourself. Unconditionally. Whenever you share and care your love, it should be an unconditional love. Okay? So, wide open your eyes. Inhale. Raise your head up. Open it. You're giving your unconditional love to yourself and slowly exhaling and hugging yourself and ensuring each and every body cell of your body is hugging itself. And you are releasing all your stress, all your problems, all your worries, all your anxiety, and you are hugging yourself. Make sure there's a beautiful smile on your face and you're loving yourself. You're enjoying your hug. And slowly release your hands. Wide open it. Show it your unconditional love. Rise your head up. And slowly exhale. And now you'll ensure your left hand is on the top. Hug yourself with a beautiful smile on yourself. You're loving it, you're enjoying it. Make sure each and every cell of your body is hugging themselves. It's enjoying. And now slowly open your hands, inhale, and wide open your hands. As such, you are showing your unconditional love and raise your head up. And slowly exhale where your right hand is coming up and hugging yourself, the beautiful smile on your face, and you're enjoying your hug. Make sure each and every cell of your body is hugging themselves. They're enjoying the love and care which you're sharing. Now slowly inhale and wide open your eyes. Show your unconditional love. Raise your head up. And slowly exhale and make sure your left hand is on the top and hug yourself. Love yourself. Show the care and love yourself. Make sure each and every body cell is hugging themselves. They're feeling happy with a beautiful smile on your face. Okay, now slowly relax. Let's get into our next activity. Happy task of the day. Being it eating, being it watching TV, being it listening to music, being it sleeping, being it cooking, being it your own artistic skills, being it your work, whatever it may be. Choose any one task which makes you so happy. Do it now. Immediately after our session, do it. Do it and be happy. Okay? We are here to practice it. It's not just a game. Now, time for our beautiful alphabet laughing song. See, only Smiley, how she is laughing. There is a difference between a laughing and smile. Okay, a smile is something where you can show your smile on your lips and you can raise your cheek. That's it. That is a smile. Laugh is wide opening your mouth, showing your teeth, and releasing all your worries, all your mental stress, all your problems, all your feelings, and be happy. Okay. First, let's learn the practice. Let's practice the laughing alphabet, and then let's practice the alphabet laughing sound. Okay. So, whenever you say it, you should mean it from the bottom of the heart. You should sing from the abdomen. Okay, feel it from the bottom of the heart, sing it from the abdomen. The sound should come from the abdomen. Okay, not from just a mouth. So start from abdomen, go through the throat, through your lungs and heart, and it should come out of your mouth. Okay, let's start. Ah. Ha ha. E. Make sure there is a beautiful facial expressions on your face and you are using your body language, body postures. Okay, you should do everything. Oh oh. Oh oh. Hey hey. Hey. Oh oh. Okay. Ready? Let us start our alphabet laughing sound. Ready? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let us start singing the song. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he. Ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Ho 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 ho. Ha ho ha ho ha ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Ho 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 ho. Ha ho ha ho ha ho ha ho ha ho ha ho ha ho. Hum ha 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 hum hum ha hum ha 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 hum hum. Now, raise your hands up and release all your stress. Loud, laugh loudly. Raise your head up. So, whenever you laugh, all your facial muscles, there are hundreds of facial muscles which relax, which makes your body entirely release. So doing an exercise for 1 hour is equals to practicing a laughing loudly for 1 minute. Remember, that is the beauty of laughing therapy. So let's get into our next activity, random acts of kindness challenge. So daily I'm putting this challenge to you. I'm suggesting you people pick a random acts of kindness activity, do it and post it in a group. That is an action oriented item. When you post it, then only we'll know that yes, you are doing something. If you are not posting, which means that it's just you are listening. It's again a gyan. Okay, I can give a gyan thousands of hours, but when you do it at least for one time, that is the beauty. There are 12 beautiful small kindness acts which doesn't even take couple of minutes. Being it hugging a tree, being it watering plants, using your own cloth bag, walk for a kilometer, feeding animals, placing a water bowl for birds, thank someone, help a senior citizen, playing with the kids, create a plastic-free zone, spend a mobile-free hour, or share a meal. Is it possible to do for you? Then do it and post it in the group.
Okay.
So I'm still waiting for you people to do it and post it. Do it whenever it is possible. You have 1 day, complete full day, 24 hours till the morning. Yeah. Take a picture, post it. You can do one activity or do all the 12 activities. Remember, giving back to the society makes you so happy. There is a survey. Those who help others, they will be more happiest person in this world. Even I did a research on the happiness. Okay. So entire world says those who are helping others, they will be more happy. So helping others doesn't involve only the money. Without money, we can help others. That is why we are having all these things. Okay. So, my dear friends, thank you all for your smiles. Thank you for smiling. I can see a beautiful smiles on each and every one of your faces. Thank you so much. Do you have smile for others?
Yeah.
Can you share the
Thank you,
smiles
sir.
to others?
Sure, na.
Please do practice happiness and teach others. Let's create a happily living world. Okay. So the floor is open for you for the feedback. If you want to share anything, you can. Yes. Anyone would like to share anything?
Mani sir, actually I started using your mobile free hours. So I feel very different for that particular hour. Like I'm not using anything. I was just sitting in a place. I'm not using any gadget. So I feel very something like a different, like something was move out of my body. I feel like that.
That's fantastic, sir. That's fantastic. Good to know. Good to know. Good. Kudos to you. Super. Anyone else like to share anything?
No, yesterday was the first day I attended this happiness dose.
Okay.
Like I felt that I was happy throughout the day. The happiness was there. Yeah,
Yes.
because
Yes,
I'm in my mother's place. I was so happy. Yeah, thank you, na.